Negaraku, tanah tumpahnya darahku. Oh, the land of the free and the home of the brave.
We never thought this day would come. I feel tremendously proud to be the first graduating class of FCIS. I'd like to express my deepest appreciation, representative of FCIS class of 2025, and standing before all of you today at this event, marking both an end and a beginning in our journey. Today, we gathered to celebrate one of the most significant milestones in our lives, graduation.
We're celebrating everything we've achieved. We faced countless challenges, every kind of hardship students can experience, and we made it through. And that's something to be proud of. Graduating high school and preparing for what comes next is no small feat. It takes relentless efforts, and today we should be proud because we made it. Sure, some parts of our high school lives may not have been perfect, but one thing is certain, we didn't give up. From the very first day of school as nervous freshmen to this proud moment at graduation, we kept moving forward. Sometimes we failed. Sometimes we had conflict, felt lost, or received disappointing grades. Sometimes we were isolated behind screens doing the online school alone. But through it all, we chose resilience, and that's why we are here today.
The best thing I can do is keep you from loving me, keep you from loving me. It's hard to
Class of 2025. As you stand at the threshold of this new chapter, take Ubuntu, or community, with you. Let it guide the way you build friendships, lead with empathy, make choices with compassion, and connect with others across cultures. You are not walking away from this school. You are walking with all the people and moments that shaped you here.
on my own. Won't turn from love to enemies, and I know you're gonna leave, and I'm way too scared to fight, so I sleep.
But your voice, your values, and your dreams will help shape it into something better. Lean into that responsibility with courage and with joy. Go with courage, go with kindness. Go knowing that you are because we are, and that we are so proud to be part of your story. And always remember that you have a safe home, a community who loves you, to return to at the end of the day. Congratulations, class of 2025.
Class of 2025, thank you for being a part of our lives. I think that you know how important you all are to us, to the school community. So remember, of course, you're all going abroad to different corners around the world, but if any time you have the opportunity, you are more than welcome to visit us. You are always a part of our FCIS, always. So remember that. No matter what, I wish you all the best. And everybody, there's just one thing, I wish you smooth horizons. So may your future be both smooth, successful, and I definitely are looking forward to hear great things from all of you.
The world is wide. I hope we meet again someday on the global stage as mature, confident adults.
To my fellow graduates, thank you for both starting and ending my high school journey with me. As we start the new chapter of our lives, let's live every day to the fullest and carry with us the lessons, laughter, and growth we've shared. And with that, there is only one last thing to say. Congratulations to class of 2025.
Keep you from life.